There is an ugly truth about the YouTube community tab that many people just won't tell you, but that's what I'm here for today. Everyone strives to get the YouTube community tab. This is the thing where you can post a load of comments, post a load of polls, post a load of pictures, advertise your videos. People are excited. They feel that this is their golden goose. This is their golden silver bullet that will skyrocket their channel. They think because it's locked behind 1,000 subscribers, and previously it was even more, that this is the thing that could possibly skyrocket their channel to the moon. But I'm here to tell you a few home truths about the community tab. One, it can be completely useless and dead if you let it be. Why are some community tabs so successful? Why are some social media platforms so successful? Why are some YouTubers more successful? It's because they're more active on their social platforms. One of my big benefits, and one of the things that grows my YouTube channel even outside YouTube, is my blog. My blog has around about 120, 150 odd articles all teaching you how to do YouTube. There's a link in the description down below, by the way. And that gives me the benefits of pushing people to my YouTube channel via the community that I build elsewhere. The blog I started around about a year ago is now getting around about 25 to 30,000 page views per month, organically. Something that if you want me to teach you how to grow a blog to that style, then leave a comment down below, say yes maybe, and then I can figure out how needed it happens to be, and I can start making videos on that as well. But if you don't interact with people, if you don't make content, if you don't share, then people won't be able to interact with you. They can't communicate with you. Now, yes, there was that weird rumor that there was an exploit on the community tab that if you posted daily and you posted with random words and polls that it would explode. This has since been debunked by many YouTubers, but the aspect of the community tab, it still remains true. It's a place to communicate, it's a place to share, it's a place to push out content and interact. If I upload 2 videos a week and then post a poll every day, not only are you going to interact with those 2 videos, but then every day YouTube sees that every poll that I post every day gets interacted with 200 or 300 or 400 people, maybe even more, rather than no poll being there and no hundreds of people and no people at all. What do you think YouTube's going to want more? Interaction or silence? Okay, Alan, I get it. I need to post stuff, right? But what do I post? This is the secret little sauce, right? Some people just spam their latest video. Go check this out, go check that out. But what that does is it doesn't garner much attention. In fact, if anything, it looks like an advert and people ignore them flat out. So this is the order that you need to think of. 1, polls, because everyone has an opinion, everyone wants to share, even if it's just a quick vote, a funny vote, something weird, or they want to share their opinion directly on the niche that you've lured them to. They're engaged with you because they've subscribed, they want to share their opinion. Pictures! A picture paints 1,000 words. It also takes up a clump of real estate on the feed when you're scrolling through your phone. If it's a good, well thought out picture that might pull people's attention in and make them click onto a link or comment. Text post. I know you're now thinking, hang on Alan, why aren't I promoting a... No. A text post still performs better statistically than a video in itself. Because for a video, with the world, the generation that we happen to be, the world that we live in on the internet, I scroll through the internet now and I can see the ads at the top of the page and I ignore them. It's the same with a video. If you're going to promote a video flat out with a video link, it's going to do worse. In fact, here's some examples. Polls. Lots of engagements, there's hundreds of votes there, and in fact on my second channel that's got 7,000 subscribers, I was able to get polls with 200 or 300 subscribers that had tens of thousands of votes. The way this works is that YouTube will push it out to a like-minded community that thinks people have searched similar search terms before and put that in front of them as well, luring people in from outside your subscriber base and maybe to a video. But when I posted just a video, people see that as an advertisement and flat out ignore it. You don't get anywhere near as much as engagement. But there is a way around this. What I do is I combine the most engaged thing with a video link. And as you can see here, working very well on my Crypto Rookie channel, I post a poll, I give it a question and then link a relevant video, and then that video, as you can see here, even gets a pump in traffic. You can see it on the graph, you can see it in the engagements. Now you've figured out the ugly truth about the community tab, have you seen the ugly truth about the YouTube Shorts?